attic insulation. Steve here from Southern Comfort Mechanical, short video on attic insulation. So to start with, the analogy is on the left we have that naked bottle here with analogy that's low or inadequate attic insulation. On the right we have a bottle that has a koozie on it, which is insulating it, so it's gonna, we'll say, take it longer to warm up if it's cold, or vice versa. If it was coffee, it's going to take it longer to cool down. That's the analogy of having adequate insulation. So we insulate our beer, so we should also have adequate insulation in our home. It's going to make it feel more comfortable and less humid whenever that AC is not running. Looking at an example, we want to target a level of 16 inches of insulation. Here we've got much less than that. So here's the before. Looking at it after, we got that 16-inch target level, which gives that adequate level of insulation for the attic. Looking around other areas of this example, we can see putting the tape measure on, it's at 4 inches, which well below that target level. Just perusing, there's different levels of settlement as the insulation has aged around different parts of the attic. So I would say, giving a proposal to the client, if that's accepted, then we'll schedule the time frame to come out and get that work done for the client. Once things are accepted, we'll get the job scheduled, we'll get set up. Here's in the garage, we've done front yards, etc. The machine, we insert bags of the loose fill insulation. It blows it up the tube to the attic. One person or two people feeding and maintaining that supply. Downstairs, can be in the front yard or in a room. One person then is upstairs in the attic, moving around the hose, and we'll say just spraying it around till we reach that target level, making sure to get adequate coverage into all the nooks and crannies around the attic, even the hard to reach places that are out of sight. Well, after a period of time, we'll hit that target around the attic. That's where you'll see that either, in our case, we use pink. White's also an alternative color. Once that's done, we'll tidy up, clean up, even in extremes, if that means cleaning up the yard a bit so it's not all pink. That's it. If you'd like to learn more, we can get a technician scheduled out. Just give us a call and ask us questions. We can go from there. Thanks, Steve from Southern Comfort Mechanical. All the best. Bye.